So first of all you have to do is change your name and put a logo on here. So for that, what you're gonna do, click on your upper right upper corner, go click on manage your Google accounts. In here, click on your picture and go to manage your account. As you come here, click on this button called added account info. Click on it, and in here you can change your name. So first you're going to change your name. For example, I'm going to make it a tech channel. I'll put it how to. It's considered on how to, so I'll go for how to. And for picture, if I go to Google and search for related, because we want to make it quick, as we have that picture, we're going to add that picture into our main page, because that would appear on your YouTube channel. We're going to click on upload, click on the picture, choose and let it upload. Click on done. We have changed the picture and we have to change the name as well. We're gonna how to and click on OK, change name, and we are done. We have changed the name and with the logo. Now we're gonna go back to our YouTube channel. Again, we're just gonna go back to our YouTube channel. So this is our YouTube channel, how it looks. We're gonna refresh it again, and boom, we have changed the name. You can look, it looks how to, and there's a teeny tiny picture that will appear as a logo on how to.